Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable swaps notifications uh, on your Phantom app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do in the first, you just go here above your name, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go here above this sign, you click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on preferences. Then it's going to enter with you to this list here. You click on notifications here. So then you come here to swaps. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see this color it's gone. That's mean here swaps notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.